い、皆さんこんにちは。今日も一緒に漢字を勉強しましょう。Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn 4 kanjis. Actually, today's kanjis are all related to time expressions. Okay. The first one is okay, let's check the stroke first. 1 and 2 here. Okay. Then third one is this one from here. 3. So just all the way and just make a brush stroke here. Then 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. The meaning of it is part or minute. Part or minute. Bushu is katana. So this kanji itself is read katana. So katana itself means sword here. Sword. Okay, katana. Okay, samurai has katana, right? Samurai has katana. Okay, kunyomi is wakeru or wakareru. So keru, this part, and kareru is okurigana. That's what we mentioned before. And for example, this one, wakeru is divide. Divide. Okay. You can say お金を分ける so we can divide money, or ケーキを分ける we can divide a cake. Okay. The 音読み is 分 but just please note that look at this example 8分 so this is 分 right? Not either 分 or 分 this is 分. As I explained before, this reading is actually changed depending on the kanji that comes before this kanji. So in this case, 8, right? 8. 8 comes before this kanji, pun. So the reading of this changed, 8分. However, this one, 2分, in this case, you pronounce 分. Okay? So from 1 to 5 minutes, 1分, 2分, 3分, 4分, 5分. Okay? And then sometimes 4分. You can say 4分. So it depends on the individual. However, it depends on the numbers. For example, 1 minute is 1分. You can say 1分, but we normally say 1分 instead of 1分. 1分 is very rare, actually. Okay, so in this case, this one is 2分, 2 minutes. This one is 8分, small 2 here, right? Small 2, 8 minutes. Okay? The next one. Okay, this one, stroke 1, 2, 3, and 4. The last one is all the way from the top. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 strokes. The meaning of it, half or middle. Okay, half or middle. Bushu is 10. This one, 10. Okay, bushu is 10, radical. Kunyomi is nakaba. So ba is okurigana here. So look at the last one. 3月半ば. So 3月, of course, is March. Nakaba is middle. So middle of March. 3月半ば. Okay. Then 音読み is 半. For example, 半分. So 分 is actually we learned, right? For the first kanji. 半分, half. 半日. Actually, we did learn this kanji as well. 半日, a half day. 2時半, yes, time expression. 2:30. This is 半, right? 2時半. Okay? As I mentioned, the meaning of this kanji, 半 is half and middle. Okay? So let's go to the next. Okay, this kanji is a little bit hard. 1, 2, so far so simple, right? 3, this is like ku, hiragana ku, right? 3. And then 4 all the way. And then don't forget to make a brush stroke here. Okay, 5. Then 6. Okay, 6. The meaning of this kanji is every. And bushu is like mother, right? Mother. Okay, here. Very close. Look like the same. Haha and the bottom part of mai. Okay, so this one haha is of course mother. Okay, 訓読み is ごと。So look at the last one. 2週間ごとに。Here, ごと, right? 2週間ごとに means every 2 weeks. Okay? We've learned these kanjis, right? So you can say 2ヶ月ごとに every 2 months. And you can say 2年ごとに every 2 years. 2年ごとに every 2 years. Then, with that being said, you can say オリンピックは4年ごとに開かれます。The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. オリンピックは4年ごとに開かれます。Okay? 音読み is 毎日 every day 毎週 every week 毎月 Okay? So this is read 月 Okay? 毎月 every month So this is read 月 Okay? では次の漢字に行きましょう。Okay, the stroke is 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, and from top to down, 6. Okay, so 6 strokes. Simple, ear. So bushy vertical is this kanji. Pastel, dry, shield. Okay, this kanji itself is hosu. So su is okurigana. So this kanji itself is ho. Okay, ho. So all together, hosu. Su is okurigana. Hosu. Okay, which means hang. So hang your laundry, for example. Okay, hosu. 洗濯物を干す。洗濯物 is laundry. 訓読み is 年。Okay, look at the last one. 今年 this year. Actually, we've done this before. Okay, so this is a kanji which is read kon or ko or ima, right? Ima means now or present. So in this case, because of the combination with this kanji, this reading is changed. 今年, right? This year. Then on reading is nen. So look at this. 学年, school year. 学年. You can say 学年ごとに. So ごと is a kanji we learned today, right? 学年ごとに. Let's say we have 3 school years at high school. 高校1年生, 高校2年生, and 高校3年生, right? High school. So 学年ごとに means you separate these school years. Okay? 学年ごとに. Okay? And you can say, for example, 季節ごとに. 季節 means season. So 春、夏、秋、冬, right? 春, okay, I'm going to write here. 春、夏、秋、冬. Sorry for my terrible writing. Okay, so 春、夏、秋、冬. In that case, you can say 季節ごとに, like every season. 季節ごとに. Okay? One more example, 1年生, freshman or first year. Okay, it's very easy to understand. 1年生. So say here is student. As I mentioned, 高校生 is a high school student. Okay? Is everything all right? As usual, I share the link of this handout in my description, so you can freely download it and enjoy practicing. Okay? If you have any question, just let me know. 何か質問がありましたらいつでも言ってくださいね。それではまた次回お会いしましょう。おがチャンネルでした。失礼します。またね。